What's up everyone? I am going to take you on the final walkthrough of Twin Creek's cabin. We have now completely renovated this entire cabin that I'm gonna take you on a little tour of and do a little walkthrough and talk about this and that. This is gonna be a video on the fly. I don't have it pre-planned or anything, but I actually have time to get in this property without the cleaners or tenants being in this. So it's a rare situation. I wanna bring you on to actually show you everything that we've done and I've spent the past several months working on. If you haven't been following up the whole cabin flip series, go ahead and start that from the beginning. I think there's a lot of awesome content in there, and we're actually just about to start another series called the Lakeside Bungalow Flip, and it's another complete renovation just like this one, but this time it's on the lake. Let's get onto this property. Let me show you around a little bit and talk about some of the details. We actually vacationed here a little bit this weekend, so it's not the cleanest and it's not staged and everything, but this is an HGTV. This is YouTube. Let's go take a look. Here's the little closet here that my mom pretty much took care of on her own. So that was stained with early American, and then we had some kind of Sherwin-Williams color in there. The design was actually Tessa's, and then my mom actually executed on getting it all ready and painting it, and then I installed the stool and everything like that. But yeah, as far as all this other decorations go, we have been adding stuff almost every month when I come in to restock the place. So a lot of these are just little extra upgrades, but some of it's original, like these little mirrors here. As you know, we painted all of the wood paneling around this entire house with the Greek Villa by Sherwin-Williams. Now this right here is one of my favorite projects that I've ever done, and I created a pretty cool YouTube video on that, but absolutely nobody watched it. It's actually one of my worst performing videos. Maybe because it's so unique, I'm not sure, but I absolutely love this piece right here, and it was actually kind of simple to do. But yeah, we got the whole TV center going there. And then on the flip side here, in the opposite wall, this is a little mountain range that Tessa made. Again, stained early American. That was the theme that we went for in this entire house to kind of match the ceilings up there, which are tongue and groove. As far as the living room goes, then we have the artwork there that our friend from Austin, Texas made. A bunch of furniture here, which I probably will never shop on this retail site again, just because the furniture is always super dainty from there, which isn't great when you're having tenants in here that just don't care about your stuff. So from now on, I'm gonna go to your box store, test it out before actually just buying it online willy-nilly. One thing we really didn't need to do much on was the kitchen, which I'm extremely fortunate about because we saved so much time not having to redo this. Left all of these doors alone, we just cleaned them, put some liner in there, installed a new kitchen faucet, and then all we needed was a microwave, and that was it. The oven still kind of works, the dishwasher works, the fridge works. Got really lucky there because, again, this whole place we have a scrap, except for the kitchen. And then we're in the master bedroom where I have the fixed headboard there that I made myself. The little nightstands here. Again, I have all the tutorials and all that stuff on my channel. And then we have the master bedroom, bathroom right here. Completely finished off with the Dreamline glass shower door. All the tiling we did ourselves. Brand new flooring, new toilet, all kinds of new fixtures. And I actually just put this up here this trip. Got some decor in here because we didn't have any except for a little plant and QR code so you can watch my YouTube videos if you stay here at the property. Let's go into the guest bedroom now. It's pretty much the same as the other bedroom over there. Same headboard, same basic nightstands. And then we have the guest bathroom, which is really small, especially when I don't have a wide angle lens here, so it looks a lot smaller than it is, but it's actually quite spacious. Again, Dreamline glass doors. A really nice, beautiful bathroom, I think. All right, now I'm gonna head downstairs on top of the beautiful stairs that my mom actually refinished here behind me. All right, now again, we have this small bathroom in here, so it's gonna be a tight fit without a wide angle lens, but completely redone down to the studs, just like all the other bathrooms. Got some shiplap behind us, brand new window we installed. And this is the one that has a tub and a surround. I actually didn't tile this one. This entire bathroom, by the way, costs less than $1,000 to do because we found the tub surround, the tub, this vanity with the Delta faucet sink and everything, all on clearance on Lowe's. They actually just had it there as returns, but nothing was wrong with them, so we picked them up. The biggest thing we did downstairs, besides that bathroom, was install recessed lights to both of the bedrooms down here. If you remember, it was super dark and really nasty in these rooms, and now these are the cleanest, brightest, freshly sheetrocked rooms. Look at that. Look at how bright that is in here. Just absolutely beautiful, looks clean, and all it took was just $100 max in recessed lights and wiring. It didn't even cost that much. Recessed lights are like, these are 4-inch ones. These cost about $6 a pop. Another $50 for the twin bedroom here, which we're gonna start calling the otter room once we actually get some otter artwork out here. If you haven't noticed a theme, by the way, the master had bears, the queen upstairs had deer, and this room over here had a bunch of owls in it. So we got some owl, we got an owl, some mountains, some more owls there, and then there's like little owl trinkets and stuff. So this one we're gonna call the otter room eventually, but we really don't have the themes like really advertised quite yet. Now this room also has a closet there, and then it had the second closet here, which has the breaker panel and the water heater. So we actually turned this into the owner's closet where we can keep a bunch of our stuff in here and then just lock this door so nobody can get into it except for me and the cleaners. Again, installed a brand new window here. So downstairs is fully insulated with brand new insulation behind all the walls. Brand new windows everywhere. So downstairs is just, oh, brand new baseboard heaters too. It's great. Now outside they're fixing some of the roads because of water erosion, getting it ready for the winter, I guess. So it's noisy. And there's tractors driving around and stuff, but there's really not much to talk about. I had a nice little bonfire, cleared out more brush last night. Other than that, I'm gonna start making a way next spring to actually get to the water a lot easier. I just cleaned out all of the brush yesterday. So this spring I'm gonna put some pavers or some kind of like giant landscaping rocks and then make it where people can walk down there, because we've had tenants now who have walked down there in the stream and went swimming in the little thing. So I think that's so cool that we kind of have like a waterside property, right? So I think that's pretty much all there is. The only other thing to say is that what's left on this house is painting the exterior a darker color, something more modern than the ugly tan that it is now, the brown and tan. Working more on the deck, if not fully replacing it. Maybe adding a hot tub out near the creek. I think that would just be killer. Making the access to the creek a lot easier so people can swim. And then maybe getting some new appliances in the kitchen because they are getting a little bit older. But other than that, I have a ton of work coming up on the next property. So I'll probably be hiring out a lot of this work in this house now. Plus, the altitude up here, I'm out of breath just talking to you. Imagine working out here. It a little draining. But speaking of the new property, remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on all of the other content. We're gonna be doing a whole nother series on this. I have a lot more camera equipment. I have a lot more knowledge to give you. So again, subscribe, hit that like button. I'll see you on the next series. Thanks for watching the cabin flip. Someone ate the body, but not the wings. Interesting.